What is TikTok all about? What is TikTok? TikTok is an application that came out of nowhere, was created in China where it is known as Douyin, and for the rest of the world it is known as TikTok. When TikTok was created, it caused great euphoria among Chinese youth and teenagers because it was an application of video exchanges, and for young people, that was very fun. TikTok joined Musical.ly, where young people could upload music videos where they could synchronize the movements of their lips with the music, which was sensational. Then the young people who had more experience technically uploaded original videos, which caused them to become influential on the platform. For young people, it is very fun since they can upload videos with durations of 15 seconds and can also share these videos in their stories, and these videos have a duration of 60 seconds. TikTok and Musical.ly are addressed to the same audience. Are people caring about TikTok? First of all, we may say that one of the large impediments that TikTok has had to making its marketing successful is that most of the sellers and business managers over 30 do not know the platform or have not even heard of it. Secondly, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology of India ordered that the application of electronic stores in India be withdrawn. There was great concern because it was not known if the application was safe for young people. Madras Superior Court said that pornography and other illicit things were encouraged with this application. The measure lasted a short time and was lifted on April 22nd after TikTok reviewed its content well by removing more than 6 million videos that were believed to violate the terms of use. Despite all the inconveniences, TikTok has been the most downloaded application during the year 2018 and the first quarter of 2019. Who uses TikTok? First, we will start with Musical.ly, which is an application that pointed to the Z generation and with a female bias. Even this application is still favored by young people, with 66% of its users under 30. The Douyin application, as it is known in China, began to be used in 2017 by young people. 55% of their users were under 24 years old. It is important to note that the first users of Douyin stayed on the platform as they got older. This means that the average age of Douyin users has gradually gone up. In February of 2018, about 31.8% of people using Douyin were under 24 years old, with 23.4% of users aged 25 to 30 and another 23.4% of users aged 31 to 35. We can only wait to see if the growth of users of the TikTok application will be equal to that of Douyin over the years. How can brands benefit from TikTok? For the marketing of brands using the TikTok application, there are 3 ways. First, the user can create their own channel and upload videos that they consider to be relevant. Second, the user can work with influential people to help their content be disseminated more widely. Third, the user can pay to advertise on TikTok, although TikTok does not have the same scope as YouTube. However, it can become more popular and stable over time. Generally, many brands combine their own channels and work with influential people so that the content of their products are directed to a larger audience. They can also try some of the ideas on their own channels, like hashtag challenges, user-generated content, and TikTok advertising. The user can also suggest to their influencers to share this type of content in their networks. How can I get started with TikTok? From my point of view, to start using the TikTok application, we must first know what it is and what it is for. Then see how it works and what its scope is and what benefits we can have using this application. When knowing everything about this application and having downloaded it to our cell phone, then we follow these steps. First, we create a user profile with our email address or a Facebook account. From there, we configure our account with a photograph, and our data is included as our YouTube account or other social networks. Every time you open the TikTok application, it shows us the videos that other users have uploaded. It also allows us to apply different recording modes to our videos. It is a very fun application that gives the user many tools to share their ideas.